What are you guys doing?
We're conversing creative ideas, Jimmy. We're brainstorming.
Yeah?
We're making some ram air. We're gonna make a ram air vent for RJ's.
So RJ just got a bunch of Miata parts the other day.
Mm-hmm.
One's a headlight, so he wants to make like a turbo duct for
Probably be something like this. This seems like a perfect shape to me.
It would be awesome because the turbo fins are going to be right here at the top. It's going to go right into it, and the bottom it's going to hit my power steering pump and reservoir. It's going to keep it cool.
this shape at the bottom because I think that'll help aid in the airflow.
No, absolutely. It looks great.
it. Yeah, let's cut it. RJ, I see there's another engine tent in my garage.
Yes, there is.
Why?
You told me to get it.
Why did I tell you to get it?
So we could put the Miata engine on so we could power wash it and move it around.
What Miata engine?
That one.
Sweet. So for you guys who didn't see the end of the little turbo video.
My foot!
Good, move it.
God, you're
So-
like the size of a tree and weigh the same.
RJ actually got a new motor, not new to him motor for his Miata. So we can push the limits of his motor.
Which we'll probably do next week. Maybe today. I don't know.
And then we have a backup motor, so RJ isn't sad when his Miata's down.
Yes. Rebuild it from top to bottom.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes,
we're going to refresh it.
No, I'm just going to buy rods, pistons,
No.
intake ready intake manifold, bigger fuel rail. I'm going to bore and stroke it to 82.1 millimeters in the cylinders. I'm going to make it a 2.2 liter.
What? Okay. Well, RJ has his own plans, and I have mine. So,
We're gonna do Jimmy's.
we're going to do mine.
Because more than likely, Jimmy's going to get really impatient, and I'm going to be at work and be like, fuck it, I'm just going to finish it.
Yeah, so that's probably going to happen. So, there it is. So, we got to get this Miata engine on the stand and start getting it all clean, pretty, and refreshed. Sick. And B-hole, good luck with your air vent.
This is amazing. It's like that movie where she sings, she's like, it's a whole new world. This is really weird, and it's like hurting my eyes. Yeah, Brian knows what I'm talking about.
Isn't it Aladdin? Is it Aladdin?
Is it?
I don't know. Is it Jumanji? Fucking Jumanji. We're gonna take this thing off, and this thing looks like a piece of crap.
You're talking about looks mint.
Look at the screws.
What about them?
Look at that one.
Fine.
It's filled with gunk.
Ooh, let's get
Cut
another
'em.
one.
Cut 'em.
Perfect. Time for a stand. We do this a lot, don't we?
A lot.
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
Alright. Oh, tail's gonna lift the front up. More. We're good. You guys are good.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Sweet. Alright, RJ. Get to work.
I'm gonna do the Jimmy Oaks way, and I'm gonna pressure wash it first.
Yeah, it's good. Good way.
Yeah, right? I'm learning. It was 95 and muggy, and now it's downpouring and it's cool.
I guess this is what it's like to be in Florida. This came out of nowhere.
Seriously.
Well, I guess Mother Nature's washing your engine for you.
Thanks, babe.
Hey, it cleaned up really nice.
Too bad. A little more,
It got all.
grease.
It took all the rust off, like all the rust chips.
Yeah.
That's what I think I'm more stoked about than anything. Nice, RJ. Very happy.
I'm gonna paint the whole thing blue.
You want to paint it blue?
The whole thing. The whole thing.
In a red car?
Yeah, fuck it. Contrast colors.
Missile's here. What's up, Missile?
What's up?
So he's the Miata Turbo Man over here.
No, RJ is.
Oh my god.
RJ
Okay.
is.
So coming from my walking form right here, I guess RJ, we really want to aim for like 250 horsepower. That's a lot of power for Miata. Like wheel, and that's a lot. So we've heard from our forum and our internet forums that you could make that on just a head gasket and studs. And if the bottom end can hold it, I'm cool with that. So we're just gonna pull the head. So I didn't realize how easy it is to do a head gasket on a Miata. Look it. You don't have to pull the cams or anything. You just pull the head bolts.
Oh, as long as like the crank keyway is good though.
Okay, let's check that. RJ, I appreciate your organization. See, I used to be like that. Then I stopped caring. You get so used to it that you're just like...
You know what? This is my first time taking my own motor and shit apart. I like to be a little organized.
No, don't die on me now.
Nah, it's just tight.
There we go. Oh my god. This thing has never been separated in its life.
Unlike my parents.
Sad because it's true. May, if you're watching, I love you. Come on! There has to be another bolt. All right, this is going really smooth until this stud, like the corroded stuff to here, so we had to give it a lot of force to get it off. But
a lot of Uga sugars.
now the engine's empty. It's cool. It all comes off as one unit though. Wow, that hasn't spun in a long time. Here you go. All right, last one. Here you go. Merry Christmas. All right, looks like your keyway is still tight. It's good news.
Sweet. That's pretty tight.
So freaking tight.
I'm gonna that post. You can actually put them in front of like the millennials.
Doesn't work. Oh, there we go. We don't need that. All right, let's. This is so bad. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, no, they are.
Nice.
Sorry, I don't know if I just ruined your video.
Here.
Hey, thanks.
Dude, that looks so funny, just an open ass cavity. So if you guys don't take them off at the right order, you could potentially crack or warp your head, so you gotta be very careful. Sorry, dude. Oh, these are easy. Should just impacted them off.
I would have.
You're not gonna reuse these unless you want to like give them to your mom for her birthday.
I already passed.
DM RJ on Instagram if you want to buy his factory head bolts. $20 shipped, U.S. only. Okay, open up if you want to keep your head bolts.
I do, just in case.
For what? So you're gonna make a fucking.
Somebody's gonna buy them for $20.
Ready?
Ready? You didn't even have to try.
That was not graceful at all. Okay.
Ew.
Hold on, let's not break this. Let's try and get it off in one piece.
Maybe try to reuse it.
Yeah, we're gonna try and reuse it. Oh, that's awesome. Love when they come off like that, nice and smooth.
It smells like bacon.
We have a little baby bitch piston. This is the SR20, and this is the Miata. Wow, that engine's a lot shorter. Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at the piston size. I thought that was cool.
It still has like the cross hatching and stuff, which is actually really surprising.
Man, up fingers. Come on! Sucker. You got it? Teamwork. All the way. All the way. Oh! Shake it up and down. Don't do that. Like a boy.
I'm trying to be like a boy.
Well, good thing that alternator sucks. So we have Miata short block. That was probably the easiest engine teardown I think I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, that was like maybe 30 minutes.
I would classify this in the category of Legos.
Have you ever built some Lego stuff?
Yeah, true, this might be easier than the Legos. Last piece of the puzzle. Get it, RJ? There you go. Now it's an official short block. Now RJ has to order all the gaskets.
I'll do it tomorrow.
And then timing kit, water pump, ARP head gasket, a cosmetic head gasket, and just OEM refresh. We're gonna paint the block.
Silver or black?
Black. We're painting the block black.
Silver.
It's iron.
Black.
It's an iron block. You can't paint an iron
Silver
block
looks so fire though.
But then you're being a poser.
Black. Silver. Shut up! You just said that you liked my black. I like the silver, but I'd rather have it black.
Yeah, cause
how about camo?
You can paint it silver. It's aluminum. Yeah, let's camo paint it. No, you work for GM. Let's paint it orange.
What? I think that's a Dodge thing.
No, isn't orange?
I think that's a Dodge thing.
No,
that's a Hemi thing.
Oh, fuck. So we're going to test the limits of RJ's motor now. Well, soon. And then whatever that makes, we'll make more on this
We're
one.
going to see what it makes on 3 PSI.
No, we're going to bump it up to 8.
I'm saying, no, we can't bump it up to 8 till this is done.
No, that's not true. We can't bump it up to 15 until this is done. We can bump it up to 8.
We're going to start with 6.
10. Fine.
We're going to go to 6 and then go from there.
All right. I'm hoping that once I get on the dyno, RJ's going to get like dyno fever and just want to keep upping the boost, and it's going to happen. So RJ, I'm happy we have a project for you finally.
Well, didn't we technically have one?
I mean, like another one.
All right, project number 2. What do we call it?
OEM plus. No, I'm really pumped for this. So, that's gonna be great. So RJ's heading home, and I'm gonna go off to my buddy's party, and I'll probably come down and later and film a little bit more. So I'm not gonna end it here. But for RJ, the end is now. Order all that shit up. Sounds good?
Okay, listen, I gotta gather some funds first.
No, I know you got it.
I don't have this YouTube.
I know you got it.
Yeah.
Come on. You realize you can touch your savings account.
I know.
Bye, RJ.
I'll see you later.
Alright guys, so I thought I was gonna go back to the shop and film after my friend's party, but I'm not. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go home. So that's about it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.